Vijay from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete any email account from your MacBook Pro or MacBook or iMac, any other version of Apple computer. In your mailbox, you have many email addresses. For example, I go to my mailbox, iris communication 2 account. So one of them I don't want anymore, I want to delete. From here, you can't delete. So you have to go here when this application is open. You can see here the mail option. This application should be open here or on your front screen. Then you can go here, accounts, hit accounts. In account, you see I have 2 iris communication. One of them I want to eliminate. I don't want it anymore. Hit that one. You see minus button. Very simple. Be careful if you don't want to delete that email account. Be careful. So select that one. Hit here minus. Turn off account, remove all. I hit remove all the information. The account is deleted, is gone. So I have now only one email address in my mail. So this is very easy, simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.